Hello everyone! In this unit, we will be studying natural disasters. You may live in an area where environmental disasters are few and far between. Or maybe you've had friends or family members who've been displaced by a disaster. In this unit, we will be learning about the different kinds of environmental disasters, such as hurricanes, wildfires, earthquakes, tornadoes, winter storms, and more. The type of environmental disaster you might face may depend on where you live. For example, you may or may not have heard about the prevalence of wildfires in California. While studying natural disasters such as hurricanes, you might think that these kinds of weather events are limited to coastal areas. However, just last summer, the Midwest, particularly Iowa, was hit by a fast-moving land hurricane called a derecho, which left severe destruction in its wake. In this video, we will be learning a bit about different natural disasters and how to respond to them by playing a game called Disaster Master, which was created by Ready.gov. The game has several levels, each representing a different event. You will be represented with a scenario, such as a summer camp in Colorado. You will then be presented with a series of multiple choice questions. Once you finish one level, be sure to write down the password provided, as this will unlock the next level. If you get some answers wrong during the game, don't fret. This just shows us the areas where we need to learn. After the game is over, I'd like you to take out your inquiry journals and write down the names of the natural disasters you are most interested in studying. We will then meet virtually to discuss any natural disasters or emergencies we may have faced. It doesn't have to be something as catastrophic as an avalanche, just an emergency that required immediate action, such as a sprained ankle on the soccer field or putting out a small campfire that started to spread. We will discuss how we felt during these events, who took the lead, how it prepared us for the next emergency, and where we'd like to learn more. I look forward to speaking with you next time and learning more together.